Hi, and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. We hope you aren't hungry while you're watching this, and if you're not, you will be because we're showing you how to make a chicken enchilada casserole, which is an ultimate comfort dish great to serve at parties, potlucks, and gatherings. Detailed ingredients are at the end of the video for you to screen capture and save, and also in the description box. In a hot pan with olive oil, we'll start sauteing our onions. We'll add some salt and then let them cook for a minute and add in our crushed garlic. Then let them cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until translucent and darkened. Then we'll add in our chicken, which we've cut into small cubes, and season them with our Cajun seasoning that we've added half a teaspoon of cumin powder and coriander powder to just to make it seem more Mexican. Check out the link to see how to make it. It's simple, so don't be discouraged from making your own, and keep it ready in your pantry or spice rack at all times. We're going to add Cajun seasoning again and stir. Then we'll add our sliced mushrooms, and yes, we are going to add more Cajun seasoning because we need to make sure both the chicken and mushrooms are well seasoned and flavorful. Then we'll stir and mix and let the mushrooms cook down for a while. Then we'll add in our store-bought salsa picante, and if you couldn't find that in the supermarket, you can swap it with the salsa mexicana or any salsa used for tacos and enchiladas. Mix everything well and have a taste to see if there is any spice you want to add, like salt, chili, or pepper, before turning off the stove. To assemble, we'll start by spreading sour cream on a flour tortilla, then adding in our chicken mixture there like we did. Then we'll fold the tortilla like a little baby in a blanket and place it into the casserole. Repeat this process until the casserole is filled. Then we'll mix 2 tablespoons of yogurt with whatever we have left from the sour cream and mix, then spread on top of the tortillas. Afterwards, we're going to sprinkle the Mexican cheese on top. If you couldn't find this cheese, you can always just use Monterey Jack cheese and Cheddar cheese, and I'm sure you'll find those at the supermarket. Finally, decorate with pickled jalapeno peppers, cover with aluminum, and pop into a preheated oven for 10 minutes just to melt everything. Then take the casserole out, remove the aluminum, and pop the dish back into the oven just until the cheese bubbles and turns golden. Beautiful golden. I love that color. Let it cool down a bit before cutting into it, otherwise everything will be too oozy and soft and will fall apart and it won't look as pretty or held together anymore. Serve with a side of some sour cream and some salsa and a slice of lime, and enjoy. Thanks a lot for watching and have a great day from Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye!